Hey y'all, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here. In this video, I am showing you how I level my minivan camper so I can sleep comfortably at night. The first thing I do is make sure that it feels as level as possible to me, which means making sure that my front two tires feel like they're not slanting down. In a minivan, sometimes depending on your model, the Dodge Grand Caravan, it's true, you will want your front tires to be a little bit higher than your back because the cabin of the minivan is at a slight slant. So right now I'm reversing and pulling forward. Sometimes I inch just a little bit until I feel that it's perfect. Now I will show you my next steps. Okay, so I realized that I should mention why I think that leveling leveling my van is so important for my comfort. My bed is on this platform. And like I stated before, the cabin area of the Dodge Grand Caravan is slightly tilted down toward the driver's seat. I mean, not this much, obviously, but slightly tilted down. So if my front two tires are up slightly and my bed is completely level, then it's just easier to move around my minivan, because otherwise, if I'm trying to access the trunk space, sometimes it feels like I'm climbing. So what I did was I have this level. And this level, I think I purchased from Home Depot, and it's actually magnetic. So it's really great if you want to like level your vehicle like that. As you can see, my van is super not level. However, I never level my van, I level my bed. So what I do is I sleep with my head at this end. And my back is generally right about here. So this is where I level my bed. As you can see, it's not level. So I say, okay, how far until my bed is level? Not very much, as you can see, like super slightly. So I'm not going to level it because that'll be fine. It's literally like not even a half an inch or anything. In my experience, it has to be like half an inch off for my back to hurt in the morning if my bed is not level. But since it's on this platform, what I do is I have these levels that were gifted to me by Eddie. Eddie, thank you. He gave them to me last year. So it's two levels. They're stackable levels. These are pretty popular in the van life and RV community. They're actually meant to level your vehicle. So I could put these levels underneath my tires to level my tires if you wanted to level your whole van. But I just need to level my bed. So depending on if I'm not level horizontally or vertically, I'll place the levels under these, my 2x4s. So either there, or I'll move my fridge and I will put the level underneath that wooden piece right there to level it. So essentially that way at least my bed is level, because I'm always sitting on it working and moving around, and that's the most important part. But I spend so much time outside. So when we're talking about leveling your vehicle, for me, it's about comfort when I'm inside and at night, and my hip and my back when I sleep. It's really about sleeping comfort. If I'm not level when I'm asleep, it's just I wake up and I hurt, or I can't sleep because I'm like tilted. Nobody wants to sleep when they're tilted. So get yourself a couple of these levels. Like I said, they're actually rated for RVs and trailers, but this is what I have for the van. They stack really nicely like Legos, so you can just put them store them anywhere. I've just been storing them under my third row seat right here. so that way they're ready to use when I need them. But that is how I level my minivan camper. I normally put my levels under my wooden platform on one side or both if I need it, or I will put it under the tires. Generally the front tires if you need to level it. So like I said, they are rated for a lot of weight. I do recommend looking for levels that are appropriate for your vehicle, of course, but pick yourself up a level. You can even get levels at the dollar store. Like I said, I got mine at Home Depot. Get yourself a couple, of these cheapy levels if you have a minivan camper, so you can make your sleeping experience more comfortable. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it, subscribe to my channel. There's Winston. Hey, Bubba. All right, guys, we will see you next time.